Welcome to Business World News, what you need to know. Today is Thursday, August 14th, 2025. The Labor Department reported that its producer price index, a measure of wholesale inflation, jumped 0.9% in July, the largest monthly increase in over 3 years. This was significantly higher than economists' forecasts and has raised concerns that higher prices could soon be passed on to consumers. On an annual basis, wholesale prices are up 3.3%.
The inflation spike is largely attributed to the effects of recent tariffs on imports. While some companies have been absorbing these costs, analysts warn this is unsustainable and higher prices for consumers are likely. The uncertainty surrounding tariff policies continues to create a difficult business environment.
The hotter-than-expected PPI report is casting doubt on the Federal Reserve's plans for a September interest rate cut. While a rate cut was widely anticipated following a lackluster jobs report, the new inflation data complicates the decision-making process for the Fed.
Wall Street saw a mixed reaction to the news. Most stocks fell following the inflation report, but gains in a few large tech companies like Amazon helped to keep the major indices from a significant decline. The Russell 2000, which tracks smaller companies, tumbled, reflecting the potential negative impact of higher interest rates on businesses that rely on borrowing to grow.
Large companies are feeling the pinch of tariffs. Tapestry, the parent company of Coach and Kate Spade, saw its stock fall after it warned that tariffs and duties could cut its annual profit by a significant amount. Deere also lowered its profit forecast, citing cautious customer sentiment amid ongoing uncertainty.
Small businesses are particularly vulnerable to these developments. They operate on narrower margins and may lack the financial resources to absorb the costs of tariffs. Recent surveys show that while some small business optimism has rebounded, a majority are still concerned about the impact of tariffs and believe the country is heading towards a recession. Additionally, there are reports that some federal grants to small businesses have been frozen, and the SBA has reinstated fees for its 7A loans.
Factoring can meet the cash needs of businesses impacted by tariffs by quickly advancing funds against accounts receivable. Contact Chris at Versant Funding to learn if your business is a factoring fit.
Distributors can benefit from the quick cash factoring can provide. Contact Chris Lehnes at Versant Funding to learn if your client is a factoring fit.